The construction industry's crisis. Why collaboration is no longer optional, the construction industry faces a critical juncture. Decades of fragmented processes and outdated contracting methods have left it demonstrably inefficient, costing the global economy an estimated $1.6 trillion annually. The core problem isn't a lack of skilled workers or innovative materials, it's a systemic failure to collaborate. As the film Any Given Sunday powerfully illustrates, success hinges on unity. Either we heal as a team, or we will die as individuals. This principle applies with brutal clarity to modern construction. The root of the problem: separated processes for generations, the construction industry has operated under a deeply flawed premise: separating design from production. The dominant design-bid-build (DBB) methodology, now over 150 years old, is a relatively recent invention that has fundamentally broken the flow of work. According to a survey of 20 construction CEOs and owners, 57% cite this separation as the primary driver of inefficiency. Historically, integrated design-build (DB) approaches were the norm for millennia before being abandoned in favor of speed and cost-cutting measures. The low bid trap. A race to the bottom to further complicate matters, governments adopted the low-bid contracting model over a century ago, intended to fight corruption and secure competitive pricing. The unintended consequence? A relentless race to the bottom. As one paper succinctly puts it, the low-bid concept does not necessarily ensure the best way for governments of getting the best product for every dollar spent. This has stifled innovation, prioritized price over quality, and trapped the industry in a cycle of stagnation. The cost of inefficiency, the result is staggering. 90% of construction projects are delivered over budget and behind schedule. This isn't simply a matter of poor management, it's a structural flaw. The industry remains stubbornly resistant to modern methodologies, relying on archaic workflows, delayed payments, and a fundamental lack of collaboration. The lean construction solution. A shift in mindset. The solution lies in embracing lean construction, a holistic approach that views projects as integrated production systems focused on three interconnected objectives: transformation, flow, and value generation. This means extending collaboration beyond subcontractors to include clients, architects, designers, engineers, and suppliers. Key steps to revitalize the industry. To truly transform construction, leaders must prioritize clear client expectations. Owners must define their needs precisely, fostering transparency from the outset. Technological integration. Implementing BIM, AI, and other cutting-edge tools is non-negotiable. Cultural change. The industry must shift its focus to soft skills alongside technical expertise, with leaders prioritizing communication, ethics, and crisis management. Value-driven partnerships. Collaborative contracts based on win-win principles are essential. Realistic deadlines. Quality must never be sacrificed for speed. The future of construction depends on unity. The post-COVID landscape will force clients to demand greater efficiency at lower costs. Collaborative models are the only proven path forward, promoting innovation and transparency. The change begins with individual commitment. By embracing trust, accountability, and a unified approach, the construction industry can finally heal as a team or risk obsolescence.